In this video I will show you all the preparation we do to be able to photograph the black woodpecker. Hi, today I will show you how I set up the contraption. Because in the front of me here we have an ant hill, and in that direction we have a blind, or I have a blind. This is my own forest, so I can do what I want, and this is in the middle of nowhere, so no one comes here. I was, for 2 days ago, I was going to my blind, and then I just saw a big bird sitting here in the ant hill, and it was a black woodpecker. And as you see here, it's totally destroyed, so I will put up a trap with my Nikon D800E. I will put it somewhere here and then take a picture on that direction, because the sun is over there the whole day, so I will put it here. And then I will trying to catch it when it eats the ants. So I will place the contraption sensor that react on any movement and sending it to the camera, and I got the picture. I hope so. First of all, I have the camera, and then I have a piece of wood to put the camera on, and then I have this where I will put the camera in, so the camera won't be destroyed when it rains. One trail camera here, and then I have the sensor, the contraption sensor, and it sees the ant hill here, and then it's sending to this camera, and I will put this on it. So now I will start up everything and test if it works. So I just shut off here and then I come back. Now I have my camera here in a box shooting up in the ant hill, and over there in the tree I have a trail camera that is sending a picture to my telephone when something happened in this area. And under the trail camera you can see the contraption that scanning this area. I have put it here, so I think that would be great. Now I have started up everything, so now I will walk here and I see if we can hear the camera. As you hear, it works. Here you can see the black woodpecker in the anthill. I'm very satisfied with the picture, and now I will go home and see if it's okay. We are now in the middle of April, and we have found 3 trees that the black woodpecker has perched hole in. And I will use cheese today to my sandwiches. And I will also take with me coffee and water. Here behind me we have found one hole from the black woodpecker, and we think that it will be nesting there. So now we will go there and see if it's working with a hole, or if it's flying out, or if it's active. We have found this one and 2 others that we think are active. So now we go here. And just there you can see the hole.
Today we will be preparing by fixing so that we get higher up, so that the angle to the woodpecker's hole is not so big. So we will photograph in the same height as the black woodpecker. Then we can hope that there will be a breeding. I get help from my friend Lars to fetch an old hunting tower and get it in place. Now we just have to wait and see if there will be any cubs. And on the way home we found a slow worm. On my way home I stopped at the lake to see if the black-throated loon has arrived. It's a very large and beautiful lake, and I was really surprised that the loon was already in place. Then I drove to a village called Mestocka, where there usually are fallow deer, and today I was lucky. Out in the rain, crane raised the field, and here are some other photos from that day. If you like what you have seen, then subscribe to my channel. Next movie will be about black roses in South Sweden.